Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. P is for panda. Let's draw a blob really lightly. Inside it, draw an oval. And then right next to that, see how close that is? You're going to draw two ovals. What else can I do? Let's turn this line to have a soft triangle pointing down, but soft. Bring a little line down here and turn on both sides to make an anchor. Oh, let's add a little bit of details there. How fun is that? Two little tiny eyes. Wonderful. What else? Wavy lines go around the oval. That's why you want to draw lightly first and then darken your lines like I'm doing now. Fabulous. All right, let's draw an ear here, ear there. Doesn't have to be perfect. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your lines. Fabulous. And then let's go ahead and draw around the jaw. Let's see here, draw a blob lightly and then bring this down for the paw. Oh, there's some bamboo. And let's go ahead and go back over it. Alright, let's go ahead and erase your extra lines as needed and shade it in. So nice and steady. Look at the direction of the fur. Make the eyes super duper dark and have some fun. You can use other things besides a pencil. You can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything that you want. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is a panda. P is for panda. Enjoy!